To be able to watch YouTube videos on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you first need to download Samsung Internet Browser if you don't already have one. To download it, go to the Play Store on the watch and search for Samsung Internet. It will show up first in the results and from here you can download it. Once installed, you can find it in the app drawer. Interface is quite simple. There is a search button up top and below that we get 4 bookmarks: YouTube, Google, Weather and Samsung.com. From settings, you can also delete your browsing data. When you go in search, the default search engine is Google, but there are a couple of other options available here as well. If you don't agree with Google search for some reason, you can switch to DuckDuckGo or Bing. Anyways, to open YouTube, you can either put the address from search or launch it from the YouTube bookmarks on the home page. While on the web page, you can swipe in from the corners of the watch to move the page around and navigate it. And when you want to recenter it, simply swipe in from the opposite end. You can see that by default, the web page is zoomed in a little bit. So in case you want to view the whole web page at once, you can do that as well, and for that you have to turn on the zoom mode. Now you can scroll the bezel to zoom in and out, and if you zoom out fully, you will be able to see the whole web page and scroll it by swiping on the display. If you are having a hard time tapping on any options, you can zoom in and use the corner pinch in option to navigate around. Once you get the hang of it, it is pretty easy to operate, and of course you can watch any video or even shorts, go full screen, change resolution, skip a video, even sign into your account and watch your subscriptions, and pretty much do anything that you can on a phone browser. One interesting thing you can do here is that you can also bookmark a certain YouTube page and then put that bookmark as a widget. So then when you want to open that page or a certain channel, you can quickly launch it from the widgets on your watch, hence saving you time to go through all of these steps to reach a certain video or a YouTube channel.